Hello students, today we learn exercise 13.2, standard 7th, question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following. Question number 10th. 5 power of a divided by 3 power of a into 8 power of a. So we can write here a is 5 times a into a into a into a into a, and a is 8 times a into 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 a, divided by a is 3 times a into a into a. So we can cut a a a a a cut. So answer is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 power of 8. Thank you.